Hey everyone, and welcome back. Have you ever been working on a big spreadsheet and as you scroll down, you want to see more data, you completely lose the header row and you don't actually know what data you're looking at? Or the same thing for the columns, you need to see the first column and as you scroll, you kind of lost the data. Okay, so there's a solution for that. We can freeze columns and rows, and today that's exactly what I'm going to show you. Okay, so we're gonna come here to the View menu. We're gonna click on View, and we're gonna go to Freeze, and then here you have a few options. You can freeze up to 2 rows or up to 2 columns, or you can freeze the whole thing, so you could freeze up to column G. So in this case, and let me get out of the selection, what I want to freeze the first row, so whenever I come down, I still see the header, okay? So what I would have to do is come to View, Freeze, and freeze one row, okay? So once I've done that, you see that there is this gray line here, so you can see that the row is frozen. So now whenever I scroll, the first row is frozen, it doesn't move. So I can see and I can clearly understand what data I'm looking at. Okay, so you can do exactly the same thing for columns. Okay, so I could come here to View, freeze again, and then freeze one column. And now you see I can move to the side and the first column stays here, so I can kind of, if I wanted to look at these two data together, I want to look at the employee ID and the salary, I could do that. Okay, now for example, I want to see the salary by employee, but instead of the ID, I wanted actually to see the name. So you can just move the columns around. So you see when I have this little hand here, I'm just going to click and drag. And now it expanded the frozen area to these two columns. And now you can kind of move, and you can see the salary by employee. Now let's say you want to remove all this freezing that we've done here. You come just back to View, freeze again, and then no rows. So you see, it removed the freezing from the row. So now if you scroll down, the header is gonna go. And let's go back, View, freeze, and no columns. So now there is no freezing at all. Last thing I want to show you, there is a way to do it, super simple. So if you come here, you see this little cell here on the top left. If you put the cursor here until it turns into a hand, like you see here, okay, so if you click and you just drag it over, I just froze the first column, okay? And you can do the same for rows. You come here to this grayed area until it turns into a hand, and you drag it, you click it and you drag it down, and now you froze the first row as well. So that's the easiest to do it. And you can see where the frozen section is, because that's where the bold gray is. So if you wanted to expand it, you could come here again with the little hand, click and drag it down a little more until, I don't know, say you want to freeze until, I know, row 6. So now everything is frozen until row 6. Okay. And then to undo it, again, you can just come to View and do no rows and no columns. And the freezing is gone, and the option is back here if you want to move it around.